There is a Mazda 5. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car over here to film the videos. Check out the link in the description for more details on their inventory. Now let's go ahead, open the driver's side door, pop the primary hood release lever from there, hood pops up. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Mazda emblem there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. You gotta put one finger in there and push it right, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod, so get it out. Put it in the slot with the arrow marking it over there. Put the rod in there and then sort of pull it back, and that's it. Now it's secured in place. It's not going anywhere. Now once the hood is open right there, that's where you access the turn signal bulb from. That's the bulb over there. It's right there behind it, the access port. The gray bulb holder, that's the one we have to grab and twist left just to 1/8 of a turn. Then all you have to do is wiggle the bulb holder and it will come right out. There is the bulb right there. In order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just press it down, twist it left, and out it comes. Now if you look at the bulb itself, it's got two filaments inside it for two different functions, turn signal and daylight. It says it right there. The bulb replacement type number is 1157NA, 1157NA. Get the new bulb, put the bulb back in the bulb holder. Now when you're doing so, if you're not able to sort of press it down, don't worry, that's okay. Take the bulb out, twist it around 180 degrees, and then put it in. Now you should be able to press it down, twist it right, and it's locked in place. There are 4 notches on the bulb holder. One of them is bigger. That bigger notch, it goes on like 12 o'clock position. Just note that when you're doing so in your own car. That way you'll be able to get the bulb holder in right away. You won't have to spend time figuring out the right position. That way just sit snug, twist it right now, lock it in place, and we are done. Let's go ahead now and move on to the driver's side one. Same position, same bulb, same everything. Right there, the gray one. Twist it left and get the bulb holder out. Same bulb. Let's put it back in. Make sure it's sitting snug, and then twist it right. And that is looking good. Let's go ahead and try out the new bulbs now. I'm gonna turn the hazard lights on. And that is looking very good. We've just successfully changed both the front turn signal bulbs on your Mazda 5. In order to close the hood, push on the hood, take load off of the prop rod, pull it out of there, put it back in its place like that. There's 2 contact points, so make sure it's secured properly like that. Now lower the hood and slam it shut.